In this video, I'm going to discuss how to install Go on Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. So first, let's open the terminal. Now at this place, you need to write sudo apt update. So first, going to do the update. Give the password. Press enter. Now it start doing the update of Ubuntu, and here it's done. Now the next is what we need to do. So here upgrade part, that is optional. Now if I write go, now press enter. Let's write go. So here go command go not found but can be installed. So here we can use this three command. So here the first is go version 1.143, and this is 2.113. So I'm going to choose second one. You can use anyone, whatever you like. Now what we need to do, right click on it and paste there. Now press enter. So here reading package, and this will take 3 to 4 MB additional disk space. Write Y, press enter, and here you can see this 2% that has done, and here this is Golang 1.1 src. So this is right now downloading 12.6 MB file with the speed 7 to 6 KB per second. So this first part that have completed. Now it's start downloading 47.6 MB of file, and with that speed 1262 KB per second. It will take around 30-second time. See this file that downloaded. So here this is 47.6 MB file, 12 MB file, and here this is the status of progress. After downloading it, faced 16.9 MB in 2 minutes 3 seconds with the speed 496 KB per second. And right now it's start doing unpack, and here selecting and preparing unpack and unpacking Golang. See the progress, that is 96% completed, and here this is selecting preparing unpacking. After completing this, here setting up and processing trigger for ManDB 2.911. Now you can see after completing so many process go that install. So if I write here go minus minus version, so here this all those things, so it's come there. So additional help topic, build more, cache, this all, and scroll up. Here you can see flag provided, version go, this all those things. Now hereafter I'm going to print first program of the go. So we should use nano, and here hello dot go extension must be there, and at this place you can write any kind of program. So let's copy this and paste, Ctrl S to save, and here Ctrl X to exit. Now when that done, here you can just let's try to run, press enter. So hello world, it's displaying. Now if I do any modification, go to nano, and at this place take the cursor inside println function dot 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 how are you. Ctrl S to save, Ctrl X to exit. Now let's do the run. Here you can see hello world, how are you, it's displaying. So this is the way we can install Go inside Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.